Hey, how y'all doing today? Wheat's Game Calls, Eddie Wheat here. Today I'm messing around with some crow calls. Built this one for a good friend of mine, Don Dugal, I used to work with. After deer season, he wants to get into a little crow hunting, so I made a nice one here. This is Burnt Osage. It's got beautiful sound to it. But also for your turkey hunters out there, if y'all looking for a good locating call, I'll make some crow calls for it. These are the ones I use when I'm turkey hunting. But let's give it a little try here. Wheat's Game Calls. Follow the grain.